The holding cell hummed with suppression fields, their blue light casting eerie shadows across the reinforced walls of Station Kepler 7. Anna pressed her palm against the observation window, her breath fogging the polymer glass as she studied the creature inside. "You shouldn't be here," Jack said from behind her, his footsteps echoing in the empty corridor. "Medical personnel only, remember?" Anna didn't turn around. "I'm a xenobiologist. This is exactly where I should be." The Kravith inside the cell was magnificent. 3 meters of corded muscle, obsidian scales, and barely contained fury. Its 4 eyes glowed amber in the dim light, tracking every movement beyond its prison. The species had terrorized the outer colonies for decades, their hunting packs decimating human settlements with calculated precision. This one had been captured after a brutal engagement that cost 17 lives. "They're transferring it to the military research facility on Titan tomorrow." Jack continued, moving to stand beside her. As the station's security chief, he'd seen the damage these creatures could inflict. "Good riddance." "It's starving," Anna said quietly. Jack frowned. "It's been fed. Standard protein synthesizers, same as—" "It won't eat processed food." Anna finally looked at him, her green eyes reflecting the cell's harsh lighting. "Kravith are obligate hunters. They need to hunt to trigger their digestive enzymes. Without it, they waste away, even with food available. That's not our problem. It will be when it dies before reaching Titan. 3 months of research funding, 17 lives lost to capture it, all for nothing." Anna pulled out her datapad, scrolling through genetic sequences. "I've been studying their biology. There's something we're missing about them." An alarm shattered the conversation. The suppression fields flickered once, twice, then died. Emergency lighting bathed the corridor in red as the station's AI announced, "Cascade failure in detention level. Containment breach imminent." The Kravith rose to its full height, testing the weakened barriers with one clawed hand. The energy field sparked and failed. "Run!" Jack grabbed Anna's arm, but she pulled free. "No. Anna, that thing will kill you." "Maybe." She stepped forward, placing both hands on the window. "Or maybe I'll finally get some answers." The cell door groaned and buckled. Metal shrieked as the Kravith tore through it like paper, its roar reverberating through the station's corridors. Jack drew his weapon, positioning himself between Anna and the creature, but she pushed past him. The Kravith emerged into the corridor, its massive frame filling the space. Blood dripped from its wrists where the restraints had cut deep. Its amber eyes fixed on them, 2 small humans, prey animals by any measure. Jack fired. The plasma bolt struck the creature's shoulder, burning through scales. It barely flinched. "Stop!" Anna shouted, not at the Kravith, but at Jack. "Stop shooting!" "Have you lost your mind?" Anna walked forward, her heart hammering but her steps steady. Every instinct screamed at her to run, but she'd spent 6 months studying these creatures. She understood something others didn't. The Kravith could have closed the distance in a heartbeat. Instead, it watched her approach, head tilted, processing. This wasn't prey behavior. This was something else. "You're not a mindless killer," Anna said softly, stopping 3 meters away. "You're intelligent. You're scared, and you're dying because we don't understand you." The creature's breathing was labored, its ribs visible beneath its scales. Weeks of captivity without proper sustenance had taken their toll. Anna slowly knelt, making herself smaller, less threatening. "I can't let you hunt humans, but I can help you, if you let me." "Anna, get back here," Jack hissed, his weapon still trained on the Kravith. The creature took a step forward. Then another. Its hot breath washed over Anna as it leaned down, close enough that she could see the intricate patterns in its scales, smell the musk of its alien biology. She didn't flinch. For a long moment they remained frozen. Predator and prey, alien and human, 2 species that had known only violence between them. Then the Kravith did something unprecedented in all recorded encounters with its kind. It bowed its head. The gesture was unmistakable, a sign of respect that transcended species. Its 4 eyes dimmed slightly, a biological signal Anna had read about but never seen. Submission, but not from fear. Recognition. "Jack, lower your weapon," Anna whispered. "Absolutely not. Trust me, please." After a heartbeat's hesitation, Jack complied. Anna stood slowly, keeping her movements deliberate. She pulled out her datapad, showing the Kravith images of local fauna, creatures that populated the station's agricultural sections. Not humans, not sentient beings, but living prey that could trigger its hunting instincts. The creature's eyes focused on the screen, then back to Anna. A low rumble emanated from its chest. Not a growl, but something more complex. Communication. "I'll help you," Anna promised. "But you have to help me too. Help me show them that your kind can be more than just predators, that we can coexist." The Kravith straightened, towering over her once more. For a terrible second, Jack thought it would strike. Instead, it placed one massive clawed hand gently on Anna's shoulder, careful not to puncture her suit, and rumbled again. An understanding had been reached. Over the following months, Anna's work with the Kravith, who she named Kyle, revolutionized humanity's relationship with the species. She discovered they possessed a complex social structure and could distinguish between hunt-prey and sapient beings when given the opportunity. Their attacks on colonies had been driven by desperation, as human expansion eliminated their traditional hunting grounds. Kale became the bridge between species, the first of his kind to communicate humanity's offer. Cooperation instead of extermination, shared territory instead of war. And it had all begun because one human refused to flinch when facing down the deadliest predator in known space. Jack often asked Anna what gave her the courage that day. She always gave the same answer. It wasn't courage. It was recognition. "I saw what everyone else missed, that Kale wasn't trying to escape. He was trying to survive. And sometimes the bravest thing you can do is see someone else's pain instead of your own fear. The galaxy would never be the same."